Hey guys, what's going on YouTube? We're gonna be making a video, our first cooking video, which is French toast, and my dad is gonna be preparing it. I'm only gonna be doing commentary of it. We need some chopped basil leaves, 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk, cinnamon, which must be grated, and only pinch of cinnamon powder. We need bread, which must be cut into triangular pieces. You should cut it diagonally to get these triangle pieces. You need 10 badams and you need to powder it. You need 2 bananas, 2 eggs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and Nutrilite butter. We can use any butter, but I'm using Nutrilite. We should use it how much we require. Now let's go to the next. First, mash the 2 bananas in a separate bowl. We should mash it up like this. We should break the eggs and pour it into a separate bowl. We should take the eggs into a separate bowl. Now there are 2 eggs in a separate bowl. Banana in a separate bowl and eggs in a separate bowl. We need to beat the eggs. Then we should add a pinch of cinnamon powder, sugar, badam powder, milk, and then we should take the banana paste into the same bowl. Then we should mix the basil leaves. Then we should beat it again. Mix it again. We can mix it again. Or actually we should mix it again. The paste should turn out to come like this. Slimy and smooth and everything. Light the stove. Now we should grease the pan with butter that we had taken first. The butter is melting so quick, even I am surprised to see that it's melting so quick. Now dip the bread in the mixture.
Put it in the pan.
And toast it and put it in the pan. Keep it on the stove until it gets cooked. Actually, even I don't know the true measure, but keep it in low flame. After you toast it, it turns out to come like this. It looks tasty for me. I'm eager to taste it. Guys, truly make it. But still the recipe is not good, so keep on watching. Now the bread toast is ready. Now as it is done, we should garnish it with some badam and basil leaves. And here's the French toast ready.
Taste
It is so tasty, and surely try it at your home. It's an easy recipe. It could be done within 10 minutes. And be sure to subscribe and like this channel, and also click the bell icon for notifications and for more cooking and other stuff videos. Thank you.